Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is going to be a quick fire review. So I've had the pleasure of testing out some new products from the Beauty Crop. Now the Beauty Crop is now in Superdrug, which means that we've got another affordable brand in Superdrug, which is amazing. So I did try out a couple of products whilst creating this look. So the first is the BFF Brow Mascara. Now I really like this because it's got vitamin E in it and also has castor oil, which helps in growing thicker and more luscious brows. And it did keep my brow hairs in place. It felt really good on the skin, and it was really easy to use as the wand is quite small. So overall I'm very pleased with it. If you're looking for a new brow mascara, definitely check out this one. I really like the way my brows looked. So next off, I'm going to start with my eyes. So I did use the Stock On You eyeshadow primer. It's a little stiffer than a priming base that I'm used to. Most of the priming bases that I have are creamier. This did do the job. It was just a little different to any of the products that I normally use. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Stargazing eyeshadow palette. This palette has 12 jewel tone shades, and I was blown away with the look that I was able to create. I've never actually used only jewel tone palettes to create a look. Overall, it was very pigmented, very pretty. You do have velvety, matte, creamy metallics, and pressed glitter in that palette, but overall, it's such a good eyeshadow palette. And then I'm using the Coco Paradise eyeshadow palette. This is a 9-pan palette, and the matte shades are very pigmented and very pretty. They complement the Stargazing palette beautifully. I was able to get lilac tones and pinky tones that just work really beautifully with the jewel tone palette. Overall, it isn't overly pigmented, but it's such a good accompanying palette, and if you're not someone that just loves in your face colors, then definitely check this one out. For my liner, I'm using the Winged Woman eyeliner. To be honest, not too much of a fan of this. I prefer either gel or liquid eyeliners. The pen eyeliners always throw me off, but it did do the job. It's just it normally takes a little longer to get that flick. And then for my base, I'm using the Glow Milk argan oil. It's got coconut oil and argan oil in it, and it's like an illuminator. So I'm putting that on my skin. Honestly guys, I was blown away by the pigmentation. I was trying to be careful by just putting in a few drops, but the minute I started blending it in, I realized how pigmented it is. So definitely a little bit at a time would work better for this, but generally it's a beautiful illuminator. I would generally only use it underneath my base just because the color isn't as warm as I would like it to be. And then for my blush, I'm going to use the Coco Rose blush. This I think is my favorite out of all the products that I use from the Beauty Crop today. That blush is so pigmented and so pretty. Very inexpensive. These products range from about, I don't know, £1.50 to about £8, £9 in some cases. The eyeshadow palette is about £12. Definitely check out Superdrug. I know they're running 3 for 2. For my highlighter, I'm using Coco Lite. Again, this is another pigmented highlighter palette. It's such a small, cute highlighter palette that you can travel with. It's got beautiful tones. So you've got the lighter tones, you've got the golden tones. I definitely recommend this highlighter palette if you're looking for something inexpensive and very easy to travel with. Plus, it's so cute. And then I just went back into the eyeshadow palette and I popped that blue on top of my liner. And guys, honestly, that Stargazing palette is very pigmented. It is worth mentioning that the Beauty Crop is vegan and cruelty free, and as I said, their products are inexpensive and they are running a sale in Superdrug. So I'm gonna pop the first color from the Stargazing palette in my inner corner just to give it some pop. They also do have some lip products. I haven't been able to try their liquid lipsticks, but I did try their Smoothie Stick lip crayon. It feels really nice on the skin. Sorry, on the lips. It isn't my typical formula for lip products. I do like hydrating lip products, but this one just has a little bit of a slip to it, which I'm not a huge fan of. But if you do like twist ups or lipsticks like this, then definitely go for them. They are highly reviewed. People really love them, and I'm sure if you combine it with a lip pencil, it would work absolutely fantastic. To finish the rest of my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and use their finishing spray. Now this spray is everything. Like honestly, when I looked at it, I was scared. I thought I was gonna get some micro glitters or just like some shimmer on my face, but honestly everything is finely milled. It's so nice and so hydrating on the skin. It's alcohol free, and as I mentioned, Beauty Crop is vegan and cruelty free, and it just feels really nice, and I think it brought the whole look together. So yeah, definitely check out these products from Superdrug. Some of my hero favorites are obviously the eyeshadow palette, the Stargazing one, the blush, the highlighter. I would pass on the lip products personally, and I would pass on the eyeshadow base. I do like the facial spray as well. Definitely check them out. I do have a couple of their other eyeshadow palettes which have been working great for me. So their eyeshadow palettes to me are value for money. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this quick fire review. Let me know if you've heard of the Beauty Crop. Let me know if you're going to pick anything up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in a future video. Remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black Lives Matter, guys.